Welcome to the Red Ruby Amusement Park.
Hi, Jeb.
Jeb the sheep and Cloudy have fallen through a portal. They don't really know what to do. Jeb and Cloudy point at the roller coaster they think is a rocket ship that can get them home. Leah the model and Millie Bunny are at the Red Ruby Amusement Park too.
This line is taking so long. I'm so excited for the fashion show tonight. I can't wait to wear my designer clothes. And she is so excited for the fashion show because she gets to wear her designer too to get the line.
This line is so long. I wonder what my brother, the boss, is doing for the day.
Nibble.
I feel excellent being a detective, but I'm glad we have the day off.
Nibble. I can't wait to steal the magic Red Ruby that controls the whole Red Ruby amusement park so I can have the whole amusement park to myself and I can win all the prizes. Finally, for once, I can have what I want. I'm gonna go steal the Red Ruby.
All right, and you're riding the roller coaster.
Why did the coaster stop?
Nibble.
Don't ask me.
Nibble.
I just said, don't ask me. What if it's the Ruby Robber? We have to call our brother, Detective Sam.
How are we gonna get down? We're stuck up here. We need to get down there. Does anyone want some snacks?
I became a detective because my family got robbed and the robber left a note that said Red Ruby Robber. I've been chasing the robber for ages. The Red Ruby Robber? I'm on my way. Where was he last?
Nibble.
I don't know.
Nibble.
Good idea. Let's go to the Ruby Room.
The Ruby Robber got the ruby. Ugh, I'm so annoyed. I'm ghosting nothing I can do about it. I can't go after the Ruby Robber because if I grab the ruby, my hand will just slip through it. I guess I'll have to wait till morning when I'm a human.
It was the Ruby Robber again. I'll scan for fingerprints.
Go away!
Lena!
There's a ghost. I will protect you guys. I'll call the detectives. They will have a ladder. Nibble.
Stop right there.
Nibble. What?
She said, why did you steal the ruby?
I never got to go to the amusement park because I was too poor. So I stole the ruby so I could play all the games and win all the prizes at the Red Ruby Amusement Park.
Give me that ruby. I'm gonna put the ruby back.
You're going to jail, man.
Yes, is my final chance to escape.
Boo.
I was just getting some donuts.
Mm-hmm.
Nibble, nibble, nibble.
You're right, Hannah did help us.
Do you want to join the team?
Sure.
Nibble, nibble, nibble.
She said, if you promise to never Ruby Rob again, you can come to the amusement park with
Okay.
us.
I can make you guys a poor little home, but first, does anyone want to come to the fashion show?
Why not?
Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'll make you a poor little home, but first, I'll need some help.
I have all the powers in the world. I can help you.
It looks like this villager is getting stung by bees. Go away, bees!